The other night, my son made a comment. He was watching a baking show with Lisa, and afterwards he said, "Oh, I hate it. I always want to eat after I watch a baking show." And I just thought this might be a helpful thing for a lot of people. They never distinguish between wanting to eat versus being hungry. What I mean by this is the difference between physiological hunger versus a desire to eat. Sometimes these two things can coincide, but they're not always the same thing. Sometimes you can have a desire to eat and really want to eat, but you're not actually physically hungry. And sometimes even you can be physically hungry and not necessarily have a high desire to eat. The reason this can be really important is if somebody is trying to change their body composition, you're going to have to manage with hunger levels increasing and probably a desire to eat increasing. You can have different strategies for being hungry versus different strategies to help you manage a desire to eat because, again, they're very different things. One of them tends to be more mental versus one of them is more physical and physiological. So first start trying to be aware of if you're physically hungry or if you have a desire to eat, and that's something that a lot of people might find helpful.